Alright guys, so tonight I'm working on a couple of different things. My kiddos are having their at-home graduation tomorrow. Sorry, that was my heat press. My kiddos are having their graduation tomorrow, so I'm working on some goodie bags for them. So I'm going to do them. I'm going to make them some t-shirts. And I'm also going to show you these juice pouch labels that I use using labels from Online Labels. They are pre-cut labels and they fit the pouches pretty good. They don't fit the entire pouch like all the way to the bottom, but they fit good. And I just put it on the back. The front is still the same. I just put it on the back, that way when the kids are drinking it, you can see the label here. So I'm going to show you how to put those on. I'm going to show you the t-shirt design that I made for them. And I'm going to assemble the bags. And I'm going to make some cake toppers for their graduation cake. So that's what we're doing. Stay tuned and let's make it. Alright guys, I also wanted to point out that these are waterproof glossy labels. So you don't have to worry about these labels getting wet. And they already pre-cut for you. So this may be a great option if you don't mind that the whole label is not covered. Okay, up next we're working on the t-shirts. This is the design. And I printed this on printable HTV vinyl. I got the vinyl from Express Vinyl. I'll leave their link in the description box. Now, sometimes you may need some tweezers to peel back the ends. Okay. You want to position it on your shirt. Alright, up next we're going to work on our cake toppers. And these are designs that I use for my other labels, and I just cut them out by hand. So I'm going to use some toothpicks and my hot glue gun for this. Alright guys, there you have it. That's everything that I made. I will pick the camera back up tomorrow and show you how everything looks once I put it all together and put up the decoration. Guys, here's how everything came together. And these are the kids and their t-shirts.
I have my uniform on.
Yeah, Charles has on his cap and gown, but his t-shirt is underneath there. Alright, so that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos. And what y'all want to say?
Bye.
Okay.